So which means that if I ask you for the inverse of sine theta, the inverse of sine theta, it means 1 over sine theta. And then the inverse of cos theta, that is like 1 over cos theta. And inverse of tan theta, 1 over tan theta. Okay, so this is what we have in mind. But then, remember I said we have sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. So if somebody asks me, what is the inverse of sine theta? The inverse of sine theta can be sec theta, or cosec theta, or cot theta. It could be any of these. But I want to show us how to identify them without mixing up the whole thing. Now, don't forget that if I ask for inverse of sine theta, what is in my mind is 1 over sine theta, inverse of that thing. So, if sine theta is c over b, its inverse, which is 1 over sine theta, is like 1 over sine theta is what? C over b. So carry c over b, put in this place, you have c over b. So automatically the 1 divided by c over b means inverse of c over b, which is b over c. So c over b is sine theta. Its inverse is now c over b, which is b over c, which is this, b over c. Don't worry, follow me carefully. You will understand what I'm trying to do. Now, this is the main point. So the inverse of sine theta is either sec theta, cos theta is either cosec theta, and then tan theta is either cot theta. Let me start with cot. This one is very simple. You know, in the spelling of cot, it is cot tangent, which means there is a tangent inside. So automatically the inverse of tan theta is cot theta. That one is out of the way. Where a lot of students have problem most times, or are always confused most times, is between sine and cos, as to which one is or goes with which I want to clarify right now. So if you are asked what is the inverse of sine theta, do not say that it is sec theta. Is not equals to sec theta. At the same time, the inverse of cos theta is not cosec theta. If you say so, then that means you'll be talking about S. And we know that like poles repel, unlike poles attract. So since I have S here, it will repel with S. I'm looking for a letter that will get attracted to S, and that letter is C. So that means that it will be S and C, and then C will go with S. So in a very nutshell, the inverse of sine theta is cosec theta, and the inverse of cos theta is sec theta, whereas the inverse of tan theta is cot theta. That's the message I'm trying to pass.
Mathematics tutorial with Emma Johnny.